your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby, squeeze me oh so tight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope everybody is doing well. Thank you so much for coming on here and hanging out with me. I am so excited for this video, you guys. So I did do an eye tutorial on this look that I'm wearing right now, but that is not the best part. The best part is that it is featuring one of my favorite drugstore brands, which is 𝑘 Cosmetics. As you can see, I ordered quite a few things on the website. But what really sparked this look and what made me order these items is this eyeshadow palette. This is the new 𝑘 Cosmetics Opposites Attract eyeshadow palette. Look at these colors, you guys. Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful these are. Oh my gosh. This purple and this orange creamsicle shade, beautiful. Best part about this, not only is it affordable, this eyeshadow palette is so easily blendable, so you can't mess up any look. Like literally, if you want to play with colors but you don't have money to spend on a really expensive palette and you just want to be creative, I definitely suggest getting this from the drugstore. I'm not sure if this is in stores already, but I know that you can go on 𝑙fcosmetics.com and purchase it online. I actually purchased mine like a couple of days ago and it came like yesterday, and I was like, that was really fast shipping, so that's a plus for shipping. When they revealed this on the 𝑙f Cosmetics Instagram page, I knew I had to get it and do a tutorial for you guys, just because it's so inexpensive and it's such a good brand and the colors are amazing. So I really wanted to bring forth more affordable looks into my channel, just so if you guys want to recreate my looks, you guys can do it, and it's very affordable. It's not going to cost you that much money. Also got a couple more things. Like this was really cool. I actually used this in today's looks. So this is actually like tape for your eyes. So if you're doing like a dramatic look like this, or you're incorporating glitter, or even for eyeliner, you put this like just right here and it'll clean up your look. You'll see in the tutorial, but this was really cool. I really like this. This was like $2. And I also got me an artist mixing palette. So I'm guessing like this comes with like a wristband and you kind of like put it around your wrist, because every time I do my foundation, you guys, I just pump it on the back of my hand and it's kind of like unsanitary, even though I wash my hands every time I apply makeup. But I feel like this would be a cool, innovative like thing to have. That way I could just pump whatever I need liquid makeup in here and then apply it onto my face, and it could also be like a mixing palette. So that was really cool. I think this is also $2 or $3. And I got the 𝑙f Heart Defensor collaboration highlight, and I actually really love it. Like this is, I think, like a 6-star highlight. And this is what this packaging is everything. I love how it's like a mirror packaging, but it's like rose gold. And you have highlight for more medium to lighter skin complected people, and then you have the darker, deeper highlight, which is amazing. So if you buy this, you have the best of both worlds and anybody can use it. It's so cool. I also got their new I think this is called a primer infused blush, and I actually have it on my face right now, and I really like how it applied. It applied very smoothly and very subtle, which is how exactly I want my blushes to be. This is the 𝑙f primer infused blush, and this is in the shade Always Rosy. And it just looks like that. It applied very smoothly and it's very good. So for the price tag, definitely worth it. The quality is also great. So they were very generous and gave me a gift with purchase. So it came with a brush, a lip gloss, and a baked highlight slash blush, which was really nice of 𝑙f. So thank you so much for that. If you guys are interested and want to know how to create this look, then just go ahead and keep watching.
Hi guys, so I'm going to be taking the 𝑙f Opposites Attract palette for this eye look that I created for y'all. And do you guys see this perfection? It's just amazing. _Elf, you did so good on this palette. So I'm going to be priming my lids with my concealer as usual, and I'm going to be dabbing that on with my fingers. I don't know why I showed my beauty blender. So I'm just going to be going ahead and mixing that onto my lids with my fingers. As per usual, we're going to be using my Laura Mercier translucent loose powder to go ahead and set that down. This is my Holy Grail powder. I'm going to be placing the _Elf Line and Define eye tape, I believe it's called, alongside where I want my line to fall. I don't know if I'm explaining it right. But as you guys can see in the video, I'm just placing that on each corner of my eyes, just so if I have any fallout, I don't have to clean it up with makeup remover wipes. So this was very convenient. First, we're going to start off with the shade Cheeky, and we're just going to go ahead and blend that all over the crease. Going back into the palette, I'm going to be picking up the shade Saucy, and I'm just going to be going to place that underneath the first color and kind of seamlessly blend them together. And we're going to go ahead and jump into the shade Easygoing, which is such a yummy purple. But this shade did need some building up, so just be careful. You might get some fallout. That's why I did my eyes first, just because I didn't know how this palette was going to perform. But aside from that, I really love the palette. Everything blended seamlessly. I did just have to pack on and build a couple of shades, but that was no problem to me. And I'm going back into the first brush that I used to blend Easygoing with the rest of the two first shades that I placed. And then going back into the palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Chill, which is a metallic looking purple shade. I'm going to place that in the middle. And as you guys can see, I just ended up using my finger just because it needed some more oomph. And then going back into the palette, I'm going to be picking up Clever, which is more of a silvery purple shade. This shade is super cool. I didn't know if it was like silver or purple, but it looked awesome. So I'm just going to be placing that right in the center of the lid. And then I'm going to be taking my blending brush and then blending everything seamlessly so we have no harsh lines. And as you can see, as I took off the tape, the look was already defined because of the tape. And I'm going to go in with my NYX Matte Vinyl Black Eyeliner, and I'm just going to be creating a small little wing for this look. And then I'm going to proceed to apply some mascara. But first I'm going to curl my lashes and then apply my favorite mascara at the moment, which is Monsieur Big by Lancome. Best mascara ever, I swear. It's worth every penny. I'm just using a more natural set of lashes today, and I'm going to be applying my favorite pink duo glue because that is my favorite. And voila, there we go, lashes on fleek. I'm going to be picking up the shade Easygoing, and I'm going to apply that on my lower lash line just to put the whole look together. So I'm going to be packing that on along with the shade Cheeky. So I'm picking up another palette here. This is my go-to palette for my brow bone shade, this white bone shade. And also I'm going to be picking up the same metallic shade right next to that bone shade for my inner corner highlight, just because I love this palette, you guys. But you can use whatever highlight and whatever brow bone shade you choose. You can also take it from the Opposites Attract palette. They do have a highlight shade, so you can use that as well. After that, as you can see here, I'm going to be taking this new blush from _Elf. It's a primer infused blush, and it goes on super smoothly. This one is in the shade Always Rosy, and I never pack on blush, so you can barely see it here, but in person it looked seamless and airbrushed. I loved it. After that, I'm going to be taking this _Elf collaboration with Heart Defensor highlighting palette, and I'm going to be taking that lighter shade and placing it on my cheekbones. I was in shock applying this highlight because it applied so beautiful and so bright. I really like this highlight.
I hope you enjoyed this look, you guys. Thank you so much for staying with me and supporting me and all the love. I really appreciate it. I see every single one of you guys, and I hope that if you do recreate it, please send me pictures. I really love it when you guys recreate my looks. And yeah, I really love all the things that I used today. e.l.f. can never do me wrong. I swear, price tag wise, quality wise, they are always good. Yeah, our family just keeps growing on here on YouTube, and I really appreciate each and every single one of you guys. You have no idea when you guys interact with me and show love or just watch my videos. Like, I really truly appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, so I do want to get back to you guys. Once I hit 200 subscribers, I will organize a giveaway and give you guys more info on that. Yeah, as always, I hope you guys have a good day, a good week, and take care. I will see you in my next video. Peace.